What if I told you that the easiest path to financial freedom is something you see every single day, something sitting right in front of you, but you never notice it? Most people think financial freedom requires a huge income, a perfect budget, extreme discipline, investing genius, or hustling 24/7. But the truth? Your brain is blind to the simplest route, because it hides in plain sight. This is exactly what this stratagem describes. When something is familiar, you stop noticing it, and when you stop noticing it, it becomes invisible. Today, we will uncover the obvious but hidden path that makes financial freedom easy. The path almost everyone walks past every day without seeing it. Deceive heaven to cross the sea comes from a clever tactic. An army crossed the sea openly, in broad daylight, but disguised as harmless workers. Everyone saw them, but no one noticed the danger. The lesson? The most powerful things are often the most overlooked. In money, the exact same pattern appears. The easiest path to financial freedom is something people see daily, yet ignore because it feels ordinary. Here's the truth nobody wants to admit. The easiest path to financial freedom is lowering your monthly financial pressure. Not making more money. Not becoming a genius investor. Not grinding endlessly. This means lowering unnecessary fixed expenses, simplifying lifestyle costs, eliminating invisible money leaks, removing overhead you don't notice anymore. It's simple. It's obvious. It's effective. And because it's so obvious, almost everyone ignores it. Most people believe financial freedom requires a high income, but they overlook the biggest expense in their life. Housing. People upgrade. Bigger apartment. Nicer neighborhood. Extra bedroom. Fancier building. But the difference between comfortable and luxury feeling could be $400 to $800 a month. That's $5,000 to $10,000 a year. Hidden in plain sight. Lowering your housing cost is the fastest, easiest wealth-building shortcut. Yet most people never look at it because it feels too normal. This is the biggest financial trap. Another example of the invisible obvious. People buy cars that cost a fortune, then pretend it's normal. Car payments hide in plain sight. Insurance hides in plain sight. Fuel hides in plain sight. Maintenance hides in plain sight. Downgrading your car even slightly can free $200 to $400 a month, $2,400 to $5,000 per year, tens of thousands over a decade. Same destination, same function, but a massive difference in freedom. You don't need to earn more. You need to owe less. That's the quiet shortcut. Subscriptions are the modern army crossing the sea. Everyone sees them, but nobody notices the danger. $10 here, $7 there, $15 for something you forgot about. Add them up. Most people spend $150 to $300 per month on things they no longer use. That's $1,800 to $3,600 a year, hidden in plain sight. Cutting 5 to 7 and use subscriptions can instantly accelerate your financial freedom with zero sacrifice. The solution was always there. You just didn't notice it. Most people don't become broke because of emergencies. They become broke from lifestyle creep. The silent assassin. A raise comes in and quietly disappears into nicer restaurants, more outings, new gadgets, upgraded everything. Not big increases, small ones, invisible ones. Lifestyle inflation is the most dangerous trap, because it feels good, and therefore remains unseen. Want financial freedom? Grow your income. Keep your lifestyle the same. This is the simple trick 95% of people never see. Financial freedom is not complicated. It follows one formula. Freedom equals income minus obligations. To get more freedom quickly, you don't need to double your income. You simply need to shrink your obligations. Here's the easy path most people never see. Lower fixed monthly expenses. Eliminate subscription clutter. Downgrade overpriced items. Stop lifestyle inflation. Make small, permanent optimizations. Put leftover money into simple investments. None of this requires talent, high income, a business, or lucky timing. Just awareness. The easiest path to freedom was always there. You just didn't notice it until now. This stratagem teaches us a powerful truth. The easiest solution is often the one hiding in plain sight. Financial freedom isn't something you fight for. It's something you uncover by removing the invisible pressures suffocating your income. See the hidden traps, lighten the load, shrink the obligations, and your freedom grows automatically. You don't need complexity. You don't need extreme sacrifice. You just need to notice the obvious path that was always right in front of you. Start today. And the easiest journey to financial freedom becomes the most powerful one of your life.